Hola amigos! Hello everybody! In today's quick video I'm going to make a fantastic rocket basil pesto. Let's see what we get for it today. Okay, so here are all of our ingredients. First of all, we need a mortar and pesto, rocket, basil, pine nut and garlic, salt, Parmesan cheese, in this case this is a grana padano, black pepper and extra virgin olive oil. So let's start to put the ingredients together. First of all, just a little bit of everything. The black pepper. Let's start to pound. Going to get a little bit of shape. Let's put some more rocket. This is a very traditional way. Last load of rocket. More cheese. So this is how our pesto looks right now. Let's start to add some olive oil. A little bit more oil. And our pesto is done. This is how it should look. This is the look of the pesto. Not smooth, it's grainy, it's extremely flavorful. Thanks for the Parmesan cheese and the pine nut and the fresh ingredient. And we are going to reserve it so we can save in the fridge for a few days. If you want more quantity, you can add more rocket, more basil. This is our pesto for today. Thank you for watching this quick pesto video. Please subscribe to my channel to be on spot for the next videos. Bye.